Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. It's been a while since I brought you any lawn related videos. I just wanted to do a quick fall update on where we're at with the lawn. This will probably be one of my last lawn update videos for this year of 2021, just because everything's gotten so out of control for me and very busy. As you can see, my mowing hasn't even kept up. It's been over 2 weeks since I've mowed and it looks like I'm ready to bale hay here. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on where we're at and what my plans are for the upcoming year and into winter. If anybody has any video recommendations or anything that they'd like to see on my channel for the winter or into 2022, leave a comment below this video. I would certainly love to hear your feedback on that, guys, and what you would like to see from this channel going forward. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. It's still going to have plenty of lawn care videos, but I'm just trying to find some projects to do over the winter time. So if anybody has any suggestions, I am all ears. That's what this YouTube community is all about, right? Helping each other out. So anyway, getting right into it here. Just a video update on the lawn. I have not fertilized in several weeks, in fact. Probably not September, but I'm still getting tons of growth. I haven't been running my sprinklers nearly as much. I've been getting plenty of rain, so that's why this is just out of control. Finally, after the last couple of mowings, I took it down to my normal height of cut, just about. We're at about 1.5 inches right now, so we're getting down there. And as you know, I like to keep it a little bit lower during the fall. And if you have trouble keeping up with mowing, here's a little tip for you. Just go ahead and cut it short. You're breaking the 1/3 rule of mowing, which if you've heard me mention it before in previous videos, you should only be taking 1/3 of the height of grass off. So let's say your grass is this height, only cut it maximum, like right there, basically where my finger is, and leave 2/3 of the grass stalk in place between every mowing, because if you mow too short every time, it stresses the grass out. You lose a lot of color and you get clumping. This clumping, as it dies, it can smother out the grass and you can have fungus issues as well as dying off issues and all sorts of problems. So do yourself a favor, keep up on mowing. If you cannot keep up on mowing, raise the deck height on your mower a little bit and just go a little bit taller and catch it a couple days later. That's what I tried to do here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rake this out today or use my leaf blower and just blow some of these bigger chunks out of the way so we're not causing any long-term problems. Also, I'm going to show you what kind of fertilizer I'm going to be using going into fall. I'm going to start spoon feeding, well, not really spoon feeding, but just more heavy fertilizer applications and bulking it up for the winter time. This is a fertilizer product that I've been using for the last few weeks. I haven't had an application down in probably, at least 3 weeks, so it's been a while, but it's a 3208 from the Andersons. You've seen them featured on my channel before. Excellent product. What I like about them is the very small granule size, which makes it very good for lower cut lawns. You can see how tiny that stuff is. It gets nice even dispersion, and it's good for good nutrient uptake when the granulars are small like that. It's a fast release nitrogen fertilizer, 32% nitrogen. So I've been using, it's got some spreader settings here, but if your model isn't listed, I've been using the Scott's Mini at about 5.5. Now, if my calculations are correct, that should be about 1/2 pound of nitrogen per 1,000. If you look at the application rates here, it says on the light side is 1.6 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So I've been going about half that because, like I said, I like to spoon feed, which that basically means that we're only giving it low doses of nitrogen more frequently. Instead of bulking up like 1 pound of nitrogen once a month, we're doing about, well, proper spoon feeding is about 1/4 pound every 2 weeks, but I've been going a little heavier just because it's fall time, the lawn can take it. You do get a little bit more growth, but as long as you keep up with mowing, it's not such a big deal. My Scott spreader actually lost the agitator here, so it wasn't spreading evenly, so I need to fix that as well. I'm going to probably put a zip tie around there because I lost the little plastic agitator. When that happened, the dispersion was just all over the place. It wasn't very even. So if anybody has any suggestions for a new spreader, go ahead and leave a comment below and I will take a look at it. One other quick tip for mower maintenance: always check your oil before every time that you mow. I just filled this up because it was almost empty, and I went to mow today and noticed that it was again out of oil, so I just filled it up. There was smoke coming out of the oil here, so that was not good. I think I may have ran it dry of oil. It was losing power and started to smoke, so hopefully it starts up again. That happened earlier when the oil dried up. I think I've got a leak underneath it because I flipped it over and I saw some oil underneath there. Let's go ahead and do that again. So mower maintenance is important, guys. Always check the oil level before every mowing just to be safe. Yeah, you see that? It's very wet under here. Oil seems to be leaking out of the bottom, so I'm not really sure what's going on. Maybe there's a gasket that's bad or something. That's probably not good, and I'm not sure. Uh-oh. What is that? Piece of metal? Guys, I think my mower might be on its last leg, so I might have to start looking for a new mower here sooner rather than later. Luckily, the mowing season is coming to a close. But hey, Honda, Toro, anybody who wants to reach out to me and send me a mower for review, I would really appreciate it. So that's all the updates that I've got for today, guys. There's that beautiful lawn. I'm gonna fertilize it and water it in. Guys, hopefully you're looking forward to winter more than I am. I'm gonna be sad to see this covered up in snow here in about a month. If you got any questions, comments, leave them below. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for future updates. And if you got any questions, please leave a comment. Until next time, thanks for watching. After 3 pulls, it's still alive! Kind of good stuff!